When it comes to selling your home, you want to make sure that your house looks perfect. Hello everyone, this is Neeraj Khanna, your local realtor, giving all the information what you need to make you successful in the real estate world. When you're selling your property, you want to make sure that your house looks perfect, especially when it comes to the cracks and the stains on the floor. Now, here are the few tips you want you to make sure, because unfortunately buyers gonna notice all the cracks and the stains on the floor. Well, fortunately there are tons of products available in the market which can simply help you clean. But before you try any of the amazing products which are available in the market, you just want to try this do-it-yourself sort of a techniques at home. So let's start with the staining. Let's say you have a carpet which actually has a stain on it. So before you start using any of the cleaning products, try sprinkle a little bit of a baking soda and maybe a few drops of a white vinegar so that it start to make bubble. And after that, just dab it little carefully with a paper towel and just vacuum it. Most of the time, this technique works. Next is if you have your hardwood flooring has stains on it. Well, most of the time, if you use a lukewarm water, try scrubbing it, most of the stains do come out. But if your flooring is hardwood flooring, just make sure just dry it up completely. Well, when it comes to the ceramic tiling, over the period of time, the cracks or the grout start looking to, like dirty, it becomes dirty, which is an eyesore. What you want to try is you want to take an old toothbrush and maybe water, try scrubbing it, and after that give it a good mop on it. Most of the time it clears out all the stains looking on the floor. Next, if you have a flooring which is like a little bit chipped, maybe a tile or a wooden floor which is chipped and cracked, the best solution for this is to a replacement, because it cannot be fixed unless you have done it successfully multiple times before. If not, then I suggest to consider hiring a contractor. Let them do the job very well. On other time, let's say if you do not want to replace any piece of the tile or the flooring, there are some sealants available in the market which can camouflage the stains, the cracks in there. I mean, to some extent, for sure. And hopefully, and it stops it getting worse either. So it doesn't get worse, you can stop it. You try using this one. And if any stains or anything like that, if that helps, hey, try all those DIY or things at home. Check out few other sources where you can get the things removed, and you can save thousands of dollars. And before you put your property in the market, your floor is gonna look amazing. Have a great month. I'll talk soon. Bye bye.